Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something different as I ordered from Shein for the first time. I have seen a lot of mixed reviews in terms of the clothing and how things come. I've heard horror stories of scorpions and greasy clothes or weird smells and things sewn together. But I decided to take a chance because the clothes looked really cute and I read the reviews. So I'm excited and hopeful that this turns out okay. But because it was such a large order, I have to do this in two parts. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's see what I have. Cheers! My first part, nice big bag came to me. It has been sitting for a while, so if there were any live animals in there, hopefully they're dead by now or crawled out. Hopefully not hanging out in my room. But let's see. Go ahead and dump this all out. Ooh. A lot of clothes. I'm gonna start here. I saw this top and thought it was so cute. It's a little thinner than I expected. And whoa, okay, a little bigger than I expected. What size is this? We're starting off interesting because this already looks pretty big. It's a medium. I know it's supposed to be a little loose, but this looks really big. So it's a really cute top. Material is interesting, but I'm gonna have to try this on because it looks like it could fit my husband and then some. Okay, all right, so that's a maybe. I have a cute cover up. That looks cute. I mean, it's a bathing suit cover up, so I was expecting to be a little see-through, so that's what it is. It's kind of crochet. I have to see. Medium. I got a bunch of different sizes because I read reviews and sometimes it said things ran small or some things ran big or maybe they were out of a size. So far nothing is weird smelling. Nope, nothing is weird smelling, nothing is greasy, nothing is sewn together. Everything so far looks cute. That's cute. Okay, in a small, I think actually a small will fit me in this. And it's got a nice ruched waist. Definitely cute. I don't know. A lot of this is vacation clothes, or maybe not necessarily vacation, but summer clothes. And I love that all of them came in these bags. Everything's individually packaged. So far so nice. No scorpions, so that's definitely positive. All right. Also cute. Let's see. I mean, this would go over my neck. This would go here. This would go in the back, and it's kind of open back. Little bit of crochet and a little bit of a, it's not cotton, but it almost feels like a little bit of a, like a silky cotton feel. Apparently I was definitely into blue when I bought this stuff. I take it back, I found pink. Found pink. All right, I need another set. I was really hopeful about this dress. This is a cute pink striped maxi, and I will say I'm pleasantly surprised that so far everything is looking like the pictures. Everything is looking like it's what's supposed to look like. So once I try it on, I'll know. But so far, I'm not seeing anything super weird, super funky, or that looks different than what I expected. This is a top, it's a ribbed tank. There's a bra inside. Who doesn't want that? I mean, that just seems like just super convenient if you don't want to wear a bra and you just want to hang out. That could be really useful. And it came in different colors, but I just liked this green color. Another dress. I was definitely thinking summer. I was thinking dresses. I was thinking very light clothes. So that's the theme. Another dress. The brown with polka dots. Very cute. Okay. I know this is just my first bag and first time ordering. And I have to tell you, the reason I ordered is I just kept getting all these deals. This coupon, this offer, and I just got sucked in. That's what happened to me. And that's why I kept ordering. Okay. This is another cover up. Okay. So this is really cute. The color is a little different than expected. I was expecting it to be more of like a tannish color, and this looks more like a cream color. That's my only thing, is I wish the color looked a little bit darker, but that could just be lighting. I'm not gonna get too mad about that. And I did get a few sweaters or winter tops because we are still getting, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous about things popping out. Every time I feel something, I'm like, oh, there's a bug, scorpion. Ooh. This is a sweater, and it's super cute because it has a bow in the back, and it just looks fun to lounge in. It's really soft. It's a little thinner than I expected, but that's totally fine. I mean, I don't need it to be super warm. I don't live in the tundra. Okay, another drink, and I'll get some last calls. Another sweater. Ooh, this is like a zip-up hoodie with bows. Isn't that super cute? It's stiffer than I expected. I think I expected it to be a little softer. Inside is soft though. It's a little thinner, but it's just great to throw on if it's raining or you just need to go pick up the kids or drop them off. And it's got bows. How cute. And I love the gold detail. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It was 10 items. Everything pretty much looks like it should look. I mean, there was some color differences, and that could just be the lighting. And then in terms of size, everything looks like it could fit, except for that espresso shirt, which, I mean, it looks comfy, but it just looks really, really big. But maybe it's supposed to be like off shoulder. So we'll see how this fits. So far, I'm happy with how everything looks. Can't wait to try it on, see what it looks like, see if it looks like the pictures or somewhat like the pictures. But I'm pleasantly surprised and can't wait to see what's in the other packages. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan of Shein or if you have any Shein horror stories. I have heard things about the grease, the smells, the weird clothes, or things not looking like they should, and then the scorpion's kind of the scariest. But I'd love to hear any other personal ones you have. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out part 2 of this video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.